My name is Mike Vorobey, speaking on behalf of Reimagine Ottawa. We are a pro-healthcare and pro-environment group of volunteers whose numbers are growing by the day. With a commitment to transparent, inclusive, and very grassroots democratic action, we are seeking a better location for Ottawa's future healthcare infrastructure.
The hospital says they want to bring the bulldozers into Queen Juliana Park, where the Algonquin people have had their powwows for years before COVID, and start this silly parking garage. So we've got maybe 3 months.
The reason why is because we're in a system that allows this to happen.
Human beings are not wise. If we were wise, there wouldn't be no pollution. There wouldn't be no trees getting cut down for no reason or for development, whenever that's not necessary, when there's other places that will do. Sometimes your inner warrior needs to come out because it's that serious. This is serious. Whenever we're losing trees, the waters are being polluted, there's pollution in the winds, there's forest fires and flooding, and things are on the verge of going extinct, and the oceans are dying, and people aren't getting angry enough.
We need to put nature first. We need to put the environment first. We need to put it ahead of ourselves because we cannot survive without the environment. We need to work together to try and change the laws in this land so that the environment is put first, so that hopefully we can survive into the future.
If Ottawa has spent billions on light rail transit, and this city is about to spend billions on a hospital, that those two major billion-dollar projects do not intersect is unacceptable in the nation's capital. Just totally unacceptable.
If we say one thing at COP26, we say one thing at United Nations, and in our home, a few kilometers from the Prime Minister's residence, we behave entirely different.
People should realize this is a $300 million structure that's going to be a disaster for this environment.
These trees are the lungs of our city. Save them.
All we need to do is get people to go to the Reimagine Ottawa website at reimagineottawa.ca and click on the petition, because I think you'll agree with me, if 2 million people do that, something will happen.
We are doing our part to protect the precious, irreplaceable, and healing green space the Central Experimental Farm has provided to our nation's capital since the 1880s. Won't you please join us?